It is important that you allow the oven to cool completely before any type of cleaning. Warning: do not immerse the body, power cord, or power plug in water or any other liquid, as this may cause electrocution. With a mild detergent or spray and a soft damp sponge, wipe any buildup of stains or marks on the surface. Be sure to apply the cleaning agent to the sponge and not directly onto the surface. Next, take a glass cleaning agent or other mild detergent and with a soft damp sponge or soft plastic, not metal, scouring pad to work the residue off the glass door. Be mindful that using an abrasive cleaner or metal scouring pad will scratch the oven surface. Now this is finished, let's look at cleaning the active deck, also known as your pizza stone. To protect the pizza stone, we suggest wiping the surface with a soft, damp sponge after each use. As you take the pizza stone out of the oven for cleaning, it's important to be extremely careful. Use a firm sponge with warm, soapy water to clean the top surface of the pizza stone. Be sure to rinse and dry it thoroughly before using it to cook your next pizza. It's also best if the pizza stone is hand-washed and not put in the dishwasher. After cleaning, always place the pizza stone back in the oven before turning it on. To clean the pizza peel effectively, wash it in warm, soapy water with a soft sponge or a soft plastic scouring pad. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or a metal scouring pad to clean the pizza peel, as they can scratch the surface. Rinse it off and allow it to dry. Now, even though hand washing is easy to do, if you want to put it in the dishwasher, you can. Because unlike the other Pizzaiolo oven accessories, the peel is dishwasher safe. And finally, to cleaning the pizza pan. It's important to remember that you cannot put the pizza pan in the dishwasher. Instead, clean your pizza pan by hand with warm soapy water, making sure it is rinsed and dried properly.